Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and guess what we're doing tonight? All right, we're gonna do some chicken fried turkey, country fried turkey, breaded fried turkey. You know what I'm talking about. Hey, check out this new apron. Ain't like that, huh? One thing, when you're frying on the Blackstone, I don't know, probably every one of my t-shirts has grease splatter on them. So aprons come in handy. They work really well. They keep your clothes clean. And you know, hey, Brad got me that dinosaur one. It worked great, but I don't know where Brad is. I guess he'll show up one of these days. Anyway, so we're gonna do chicken fried turkey. Let's get inside. I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna do the egg wash flour. I've got my oil heating up on the Blackstone. We'll be right back out and we'll get this frying up. Okay, so tonight I'm using one turkey breast. I've taken the skin off. I've got a little olive oil in my baggie. That's a 1 gallon bag. And then what you're going to do is flatten it out evenly. I'm going to use a mallet. Not just any mallet. I'm using my ManKitchenRecipes mallet. And you want to pound your turkey breast evenly across, and once it's all nice and even, you take it out of the bag, cut it in half, and then that's about a 1/2 inch thick. See that? Okay, so now I'm going to apply some SPG, not my world famous spicy SPG, but just the SPG, both sides. And once I got that coated, what I'm going to do is get my flour ready. This is some Bluebird flour. It's a local flour company out in Cortez, Colorado. And I'm going to add some SPG to that. And I'm also going to add some Uncle Steve's Competition Bird Shake in it. And then we're going to get that all mixed up. Pretty easy process, right? So once you get it mixed like that, you want to see if you have enough, but I'm going to add some more SPG and some more Competition Bird Shake. Mix it up again. And right there looks about just how I want it. Now I'm going to take my turkey breast. I'm going to dredge it in my egg and milk first, and then I'm going to get some flour on both sides. And then once I have the flour on both sides, we're going back into the egg wash and then back to the flour. And you want to get both sides, make sure it's all coated well. Once you get the flour all over it, you do want to kind of shake off the excess flour and set it to the side. I'm going to get this other one done and we will meet you out at the griddle. All right, what do you think about that Man Kitchen mallet, huh? You can use your own mallet. Hey, I just have my Man Kitchen one. Here it is right here. A couple of, well, let's see. They're almost the size of my hand. Just, if I go like this, that's the size of my hand. And I have big hands, so. Yeah, turkey breast. Like the wings video, you know, we cut up the turkey, I removed the breast. It was only like, I don't know, like is it 12, 13 pound turkey? I don't remember. And you cut it right around the rib cage so you don't get any of the bones. And that's what we ended up with. I got these pounded down to a 1/2 inch, as I said. And I'm keeping an eye on my oil with this. Little IR temp on these Blackstone deals. Right now I am at just about 300. Oh, there we go, 350, mostly 300. So we got a couple more minutes, or about a minute. I'll probably be ready. I don't know if you like turkey or not, but I mean, you can use turkey just the way you use chicken. Cook it all the same ways. You don't have to roast the whole big turkey only on Thanksgiving. That's why I said, go get them when they're on sale, butcher them, vacuum seal them, put them in your freezer. They don't take up much space, you know. It's not like that whole turkey in your freezer taking up all the space. Once it's all cut up, there's a few videos out there, shows you how to debone them. And it's not that hard as long as you take your time and have a sharp knife. All right, so we'll get these on in a second. Okay, my oil is up to temp. Let's get these down. Lay them away from you, obviously, right? Couple little pieces there. That's separated from the turkey. Okay, We'll let these fry up. Okay, I think I'm going to give this one a flip. Look at that. All right. These little pieces of flip. See how this one's doing. Looking good. And let those go for a couple of minutes. Look at that. I forgot to mention, I do have these on a medium heat. Okay. I think I will give these one more flip to make sure we're not burning them. It doesn't look like it. That's good. But this one looks really good. Okay, these look like they're done. And just check this side one more time. Looks good. Look at that. Okay, let's get these off of here. They look like they're done. They're temping out. You want to get them to at least 165. These were temping at 172, so we're good. Look at that. Okay, there we go. Chicken fried turkey with some sausage gravy. We made some stuffing and some broccoli. Let me just take a bite of this for you because I know it's going to be good. Gotta get that gravy on there. All right, there we go. Country fried turkey, chicken fried turkey, delicious fried turkey. That is really good. I don't know, you know, hey, you eat chicken all year long. Get yourself some turkey. Cook it up like you do chicken. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. I'm getting inside. It's cold out here. Hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.